from Docusoft. Today I'm going to show you how to create a standard letter with merge fields to send out on an easy and efficient way of sending out for your clients. So I've gone on to the references screen or the practice manager, client manager, contact manager, whatever you want to call it. So once you're on the references screen, you go to configuration and you choose create template, and it will bring you to this letter creation page. I've copied in the information I wanted to from a Word document outside of the system. I've already added the address, one, town and postcode up the top on the right hand corner. I just need to add their name as a merge field here. To add a merge field, you just go to insert and you can choose from the client data or the contact data. On this one, I'm going to do the contact data and I'm going to look for first name. Hit create and it'll give you the dear first name box. Then I can put a comma straight after that. Once you're happy with everything, you'd need to save this. So you go to the save button. You go to save and it will ask you where you want to save this template. So I would need to choose the folder this is going to be under. So if I, for instance, choose my customer folder and then also choose the section this is going to show under. So let's do this one under bank statements and then a template description. So letter of information. You can hit save on that and then that will have saved that template into the system for later use. So just to show you where these templates can be used. So one would be within the references part. I can either click on one or highlight a load of clients. I'm going to just do it on Hill Premier to start with. You can see I've got letter here and a drop down box, so I could go on standard letter for Hill Premier. And I can choose which one I wanted to look at, and it was under bank statements, letter of information. It's got the details of the client there, and as you can see, it's merged that information over for me. So it's got his address, his name, and that letter we've created. And then all I'd need to do is Docusoft that document into Word format, and that will save it into the system. So we're uploading it into the client's folder. Hill Premier, description, letter, and I'll save it under general correspondence. I can action or copy someone in if I wanted to, and then click the save button, and I'll have uploaded that document into my client's folder, ready to send via our portal. So I could publish it from the portal now for them for e-signature or approval, or I could print them off and send them in the post, but really we don't want to do that because of saving paper, so the portal would be the best bet for that one. Also, just to show you other uses for it, if I jump to our portal, you can set up a standard letter bit from where I've just shown you to create a new standard letter, but you could have it for the portal. So once the portal manager loads up, you can see if I go on one of my clients and compose to him, I can use a template within here. So choose a section template, and under general correspondence I've created one called portal letter of engagement, and this will fill in the information for the letter of engagement. So just need to choose who I'm sending this to, and you'll see that's now populated to Dear James. Attached is your letter of engagement, so you can speed up other areas with creating these standard letters. And last but not least, we can also, when we're in the client manager, I could highlight lots of different clients, and then go to merge, and I click on the merge button, and it takes the same page as before, but we'll have all of the clients in there now, and we can merge them all for this standard letter. So if I create letter of information, and all I would need to do is Docusoft each one. I click on it or change the name. That one doesn't have a name. Dear Jack Jones, it should be Dear Jack. And I would just Docusoft each one, so you can work for a list, making sure you cover everyone in that list. They're all saved in, and then you can go and publish them to the portal from there. So that's how you can set up templates and standard letters with merge fields. Thank you for watching, and please check out my other videos.